Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme in your OPPO Reno for Lite, for the first you have to go for the settings, then scroll down on the additional settings, tap on the keyboard and the input method, select Gboard and tap on the theme. Right now we have to click right here and pick up the photo that we want to set up as our keyboard theme. So I will go for this one. Right now we can scale the picture, click next, set up the transparency, click done, and here we are also able to turn off the key borders. Click apply, and now that's how we customize our keyboard theme. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.